actually got ready early today so I can film for a little bit. It's not gonna be long anyways, but holy crap, it's Wednesday. Tomorrow we get to see Spider-Man No Way Home, but that means things are gonna be really hard. And by that I mean leaks and spoilers. I went on YouTube, you know, to upload my video just last night even, and there's a clip from the movie out there. It's nothing spoilery, thank God. It was just like a hand from like Mary Jane, like when she was falling. No, I didn't read anything else, but I was still annoyed. I'm like, holy shit, it's already starting. Which means when I don't know, I might have to turn off internet or something today. But I'm still gonna film. It's just gonna uploading is gonna be really hard. I don't know, I'll try figuring out a way around it. It's gonna be like impossible, but like I'm gonna stay off Twitter, Facebook, probably Snapchat a lot, and TikTok a lot, because I'm not risking this. I'm really excited. It's only tomorrow. I can make it. But, you know, whatever. But now, let's go to school.
Humbug, well that's too strong, 'cause it is my favorite holiday. But all this year's been a busy blur. Don't think I have the energy to add to my already mad rush, just 'cause it's 'tis the season. The perfect gift for me would be completions and connections left from last year. Ski shop encounter, most interesting. Add his number, but never the time. Most of 81, pass along those lines. So deck those halls, trim those trees, raise up cups of...
Can you please stop it?
Give me some Adderall.
Yeah, thank you.
Full. I
Oh.
can't, dude. You got ADHD?
Adrian, can you please just... Not today.
Yeah, eat this duty booty.
Oh. Calm down. Hey. If you can't be right, then I can't be right.
Yeah, that's what your mama's like cheese fat.
What the frick? Oh, what the fricky frick? Yo! Why?
You like being called Aaron?
Yeah.
Why?
I like being called.
If I do not run outside, if it snows, then I will not run outside. If I run outside, then it is
Oh
not
my
snowing.
God,
If I run
shut
outside,
I
One,
need
two,
you
three,
to
four,
try.
five, six,
Okay,
seven,
so
eight.
it's not if it snows, then I will not run outside.
It's taking us
Oh,
so
wait,
long.
hold
I'm
on.
done. I'm done. Fee-fi-fo-fo. I'm done.
5454.
Fee-fi-fo-fo.
She had the video trying to be in this scene.
Is that Kobe Bryant song?
No. That's a song about a white guy from Wisconsin.
Oh my god. We have to go to this study hall because Jim was here.
Fun study hall. You should come here more often.
It better be. I'm gonna try doing science things or something. I don't know. Maybe.
Have this guy?
Yes, I do.
God, people send the stupidest shit.
Getting ready to put this on your cock.
So what? I don't want to do this, man. I don't want to be here. I want to go play football. Want to dip?
Play football.
Let's go dip.
No.
You
I
say
like
no?
this class.
You like this class?
Yes.
Carson, she won't let you.
I'll just say I'm going to the bathroom.
You want one?
Then she'll let you off.
Oh my god. That's going in. Come on, Blake.
It's the most wonderful time of the year, with the kids jingle belling and everyone telling you be of good cheer. It's the most wonderful time of the year. It's the happiest season of all, with those holiday greetings and gay happy meetings when friends come to call. It's the happiest season of all. There'll be parties for hosting, marshmallows for toasting, and caroling out in the snow. There'll be scary ghost stories and tales of the glories of Christmases long, long ago. It's the most wonderful time of the year. There'll be much mistletoeing and hearts will be glowing when loved ones are near. It's the most wonderful time of the There'll be scary ghost stories and tales of the glories of Christmases long, long ago.
I have one pair of jeans. The only time I'll wear it is when I wear my leather jacket.
Oh, boy.
You know how I was like 190
I gotta wear jeans
pounds
today.
when I played football?
Yeah.
Your jeans?
I'm down to 169.
Wait, what?
Damn.
Isn't that concerning?
Yeah.
Wait, what?
He's down to
So
160.
I was like 190 pounds in football
It's
season.
how the
I'm down to 169.
Ethan sleeps with random girlfriends.
150
Wait,
now.
what?
Yeah.
I'm only 1 pound up on him.
It's good.
You need a new style, supposedly.
Fuck you.
I think it's
Good for monetization, right?
bleeding's okay. Show me your hand. Show the blood.
I can't show me.
Oh, he covered it.
Yeah, because you get infection.
Chance, what are you doing?
Yeah, I had oil on it. You think I'm just gonna leave it? I washed it and
You are.
covered it.
Chance, stop playing.
Like a smart man.
Chance, stop playing pretty quick.
I would just tell him that.
Come on, Matt, tighten it so
down.
so I can hammer it in.
Make sure this is
With this.
straight.
You ready? Oh my god.
I figured it was pretty self-explanatory.
Reed's having fun. Reed, how's it going?
Pretty good.
That's good.
Not working out so far.
I'm gonna have snow. It don't hurt.
Why? This. So that turned again more. Peppermint hot chocolate or just hot
I
chocolate?
haven't had peppermint hot chocolate.
Really?
No, I haven't.
It's pretty good. It's actually like, it's basically hot chocolate but better. And then you can put like marshmallows. Oh, so good. Chance, what's your opinion? Oh, you ready?
Wait a minute. Wait, the gas is coming out again.
Chance, peppermint hot chocolate or hot chocolate?
I'm not in the mood right now, Marston.
What about you hated?
What?
Peppermint hot chocolate?
Peppermint.
Oh, okay, see,
I've never
that's-
had peppermint
How have you
hot chocolate.
have you never
It
had
gets a
peppermint?
little too sweet at the end. But
That's
like,
true.
Oh, like you ever had iced coffee? That shit's just like that. All right.
Alejandro.
Alejandro!
Oh, he can't hear us. He's dead. Oh,
He's deaf. He's taking the heroin out of his shoes.
clearly. There you are, buddy.
Oh man, there's Alejandro.
What's up? What's up, bud?
River, he's not coming to school today.
what was he? Oh, he wasn't.
He's got his mom wants him to redo his shed or whatever, because apparently that's man's work.
My guy's looking at a black screen for the last 20 minutes. Alejandro, do you have any politics?
Can I go home? That's my only.
Do politics with Alejandro, 'cause I don't know what I'm doing.
No, we do, nope, not going there. All right.
What? That's racially motivated.
No, I don't know about that. You don't know what I was thinking.
We all know what you're thinking.
Racially.
Defamation of character.
This kid's like in a different planet right now.
With the
Wait, we didn't do the video thing. Pull it up, put it up.
No, you post that and I'll kill you. I'll kill your whole fucking family.
Post it.
yeah, he's gonna come with the AK. He's gonna come with the AK.
No.
Now he
Alright.
can't post.
Yeah, now I can't. Go to the life of Marz right now.
I got you.
You guys didn't do it in
right now,
Oh, he is.
we're gonna
Thank-
jump you if you don't subscribe.
Wait, if it says,
You
oh
are jealous. Excuse me.
oh my god.
You're so fucking cute, Marston.
Holy shit.
Holy shit.
It's a video inside. No, it's a video inside of a video inside of a video inside of a video inside of a video.
Inside the
Alright, go.
Okay, well, I haven't looked at politics, but O.J. Simpson got released yesterday, so that's something. He got released after over a decade in prison, so that's nice.
It's too bad.
He never did anything. The gloves didn't fit, I promise.
Oh my.
Vlogmas.
I don't know who the
People
fuck
know
those.
about
I have
this
no
stuff.
idea who the fuck
People
those
are
people
finding
were.
out about my channel. I don't know. Now they're just random.
Oh, well, he does
Hey,
cut
you want the
stuff out.
Spider-Man No Way Home?
Oh my god! Get out, get out.
Next time on Politics with Parker.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Today's tip: poor people don't actually matter.
Economics.
God, I know how much you're racing.
Oh my God.
Economics, bro.
Yeah, you missed it.
What do you
missed
say?
it. You missed it. You gotta watch the video now.
Poor people don't matter, bro.
Oh my
No,
God.
my God.
It's true.
It is, bro.
Economics.
What's going on, Marz?
I love you. So, where are you going home? You want to go home with me? Can I go home with you? Hey, it's Lane and his grandpa. Great guy.
I think I'm gonna escape now.
I don't know about that.
I think I'm just gonna go this way.
Oh, I know you live. Just kidding. We didn't have vlog time with Cadi. Couldn't find her in her science, and I was gonna meet her in the front. Didn't see her. I don't know. Maybe she already left when I was doing economics, which is fine. I might just have her send a video. It's really like humid and like it feels like spring or even summer. It's weird. I think it's like 65. Also, I already, as you see, Spider-Man spoilers are going out of school. I've only heard one, but I mean it's one we already finished everything. Oh. I got dressed. I have to go to work until 10. I'll open socks after. Hopefully Cadi sends me a video, edit the video, upload it, go to bed. Tomorrow is No Way Home Day. Let's go to work.
Hey vlog. Okay, I forgot to vlog at school because, listen, hear me out. I couldn't find him. I literally looked and I couldn't find him. So
Hiding from you?
probably. But here is my mother. Say hi.
Hi there.
And and yeah, pretty much today was like it was an okay day. It was kind of off. I feel like school is just not it, like nowadays. Like it's just not it. Actually, it was never it. Like what? You know what I'm saying? But I ran the pacer today. I used to have to run that every single day at my old school. Because I was in like this one like strength class. Like strength and conditioning. I had to run it every single day. Anyways, I hope everyone has a great rest of their week. And only 5 more days until Christmas break. And let me just tell you, I'm so... Okay, bye. Love you. XO.
Alright, I'm on my break. It's 7 o'clock. 3 more hours to go. Ugh. 3 more hours. And then tomorrow's... Holy shit, that is bad. I mean, my whole face is... But, ow. But, Spider-Man. Yes, I'm shirtless, oh no. But, you know, I'm wearing pants and stuff. But before I go to bed, I have to edit. But I also have to open up my sockies. It's really windy if you're hearing it. We have my candy and my shirt for tomorrow. I'm really excited. But let's open up our socks. And also, Cadi sent me a video. But this will probably come out at midnight. Holy ball sacks, it's windy. I wouldn't be surprised right now if literally like a tornado just ripped us apart, but alright. 8, looks like it's gonna be Banana Rick. I don't even know how to open it. But these, oh my. Yes, these are awesome. But, yes. So, hope you guys enjoyed Vlogmas Day 15. And tomorrow is No Way Home Day, Vlogmas Day 16, No Way Home, oh my god. See you then. And also, I'll do a non-spoiler review after, but goodbye.